The blonde is serving me 10 extra points on my credit score. Who's getting the extra guap today? Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WigTypes. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just got rich. Took a broke one. I can make a broke one rich, but I don't broke them. I know your girl wanna lay with me. I took her to the bay with me. Got the white girls like Lady Gaga. Rolling up the by Molly, I'm a Rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke, get drunk. She wanna see the trap, and I bet she love all the rap. When I reach the want you, babe. And your nigga can't do nothing for you, nothing, no. These girls ain't loyal, no they ain't. Latin girl with a big booty. She a bad bitch, let's get to it. We up in this club, bring me the vibes. I know, girl, you don't wanna be kissing your man. Cause I know, no, girl, all this money in the air, don't wanna see you dance. Just got rich, took a broke one. I can make a broke one rich, but I don't broke one. When I reach the want you, babe. And your nigga can't do nothing for you, no, nothing, no love. These girls ain't loyal, oh, no. These girls ain't loyal,
Rich young hitter, name got bigger and my chains got bigger, so my chains got bigger. Ferrari, Jaguar, switching 4 lanes with the top down, screaming out, money ain't a thing. Me and CB in the bay with her. I send her back home so you can lay with her. Okay, let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these carats like I'm a freaking vegetarian. Shout out Weezy F, keep a red bone wet. Rose Rolexes on deck. She know I got a check. Do it too good when she ride that whip. Man, I wouldn't trust that chick. Look.
So I did have my ring light on when I did the install. However, I turned it off because I feel like it was washing the color out. So this is kind of true to what the color actually is. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WigTypes. It is by Outre. It is a part of their melted hairline series. I keep wanting to say Outre, it's Outre, and I'm sorry. This is the unit Antonella. I got her in the color DR4/Sandy Blonde, and she does retail for $37.94. This unit does come in some specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. This unit does come with HD transparent lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the back, and the adjustable straps. Just like all the other units from the melted hairline series, it does come with the attached elastic band. So if you want to rock this unit ghoulish, you can definitely do that. However, I sprayed mine down just for the look that I was going for because this hairline is not as pre-plucked as I feel like other units from this series has been. You guys know I stand the melted hairline collection from Outre because their hairline is always on point. This was not giving me that, and I was very, what's the word I'm looking for? Not pleased. I wasn't feeling that. Like, what happened? What happened to the natural hairline? It says frontal effect hairline on the card, but it's not giving me the frontal effect hairline that I'm used to with this series. It's not giving what needs to be given. You hear what I'm saying? So give me what's on the card. So as you saw in my put down, I did go in and pluck through the unit just a little bit around the parting space as well as on the side over here to kind of open it up a bit. Now, I would say this unit is big head friendly. However, if you watch my other videos from the melted hairline series, I always tell you guys that elastic band that comes with this unit is tricky. If you sitting with the big dome like me, just understand that elastic band's gonna clock you in about 30 minutes. I don't have mine on right now because I knew I was gonna spray mine down, so I didn't feel like it was needed. But if I was to wear this unit glueless and wear the elastic band, my temples, my temples will be pulsating real quick. Don't do it. Trust me. This is a high-tex fiber unit, so she is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use my I always want to say flat iron. It's not a flat iron. It's a hot comb. I did use my hot comb on the top here just to kind of straighten those out a little bit because they were a little humpy around the parting space. I also went in and pulled out some of the hair in the parting space. So I did a little something something. I did use my excess foundation in my contour shade around my hairline to blend that down, and then I used my knot eraser in the parting space, top with the contour shade color for the parting space as well to kind of blend that down to make it look a little bit more natural, because it was definitely giving off like a white cast, more so than what I'm used to. I don't know if this was just the same collection, Melted Hairline. Yes, it's the same collection. It just wasn't, I don't know, maybe I just felt real off today. I don't know what was going on, but you know, whatever. I still did what needed to be done. Okay, and we sitting pretty. The hair texture is soft, it's very lightweight, but it's not like, you can tell it's synthetic. I'm getting two different textures in here. Like on top, I'm getting like a very beautiful like curl that feels a little moisturized, but then on the bottom, I'm getting more of like a drier texture. The curl's a little loose and frizzier. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Like, y'all see how that looks? See the two different textures here? So yeah, I wasn't really sure about that. However, my natural hair is like 3 different textures. So, you know, it's not bothering me to the point that it's bothering me. You hear what I'm saying? I did get some shedding with my unit and a little bit of tangling, but not much. And that's pretty much it as far as the overview for the unit. My favorite part for the unit though is the color. I wanted to curl a unit in this color, so when I saw this one, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try it. Because even though I do have some preferences for my unit, I still will rock this unit because of the color. The color does it for me, okay? The color is giving me what needs to be given, okay? I wish the rest of the unit kind of followed through with that, but I will still rock it. Okay, this unit is $37, okay? $37, and she coming with some inches down the back, and I don't gotta do a whole bunch with this unit. I didn't finger comb this unit, I didn't brush the unit, I let the curls do what they were gonna do. I did use my dry shampoo to dull down some of the shininess that was in the unit. This is giving me very much bougie on a budget, boom, because cons or not, I'm giving the looks, okay? I ain't playing. You hear me? Don't play me, play Lotto, okay? Because we giving looks with the inches, with the bundles. Speaking of bundles, it does feel a little thin back here. So I think if you kind of fluff those up a little bit, brush them through just a smidge, just around the root area, it'll fill those gaps in because, you know, it is a ventilated cap. So you're going to fill every little thing that is back there, okay? So be mindful of that. Add some spice to your life. If you like this color in other units, I will tell you, you will like this unit on you. If I can make it work for me, that's all that matters. Okay, don't get me wrong, the natural color will hit too, but the blonde is serving me 10 extra points on my credit score. Who's getting the extra guap today? So let me know down below what you think about this unit. Pull it together, everything together. If I'm just taking a picture, she gonna be banging, okay? If I'm just walking down the street, she gonna be banging. If you try to put your hands in my hair, back up. This is not a wig for play. Not for play. Get back, sir. When I'm smiling like this, you know, it's the whole look for me. So with all that being said, I like her. I know y'all like, wait, what? The color pulls it all together for me. It still gives me a look, okay? And for $37, if I can fake these inches, I'ma do it. This comes down to my backside. You hear me? Look, listen. Okay, I'm not mad. Who mad? Not me. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WigTypes for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.